Hello. We're right now writing the crest of the wave to the singularity. And the idea I've got for you today is agent is your operating system. And what do I mean by that? Well, the old operating systems that humans have used to work with computers have been treating it very much like the computer is an inanimate tool and the human is a user who would use it much manually in the same way you'd use a hammer. So all of our current operating systems are around that idea. You've got, yeah, you got Linux, you got Windows, you have Mac, and these things are designed that you as a user are the ones working with everything. You got to know where everything is. You've got to sort your things. You've got to be able to find what you're looking for and then use that to manage your mental workspace so that you can switch tabs or jump to your browser, pin your apps. That's a human-centric operating system. And this is all going to change with AI. The new place, agent is your operating system. And what I mean by that is you as a human, you're still the one with the value proposition. You know what you want done. But what's different is you're not going to be the one doing all the specific work. And that means the interface doesn't need to be something that's as focused on what you would need to do it yourself. What you need is a place to be able to interact and tell the agent what you would like done and verify what it's done. You want a control center so that you can monitor, kick off, and observe agents in action. And when I say agent is OS, we see some ideas of what this might look like. This will evolve, but right now people are using Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, Claude Code Cowork, which just came out, was announced recently. And what those offer is you can, instead of doing a piece of work on your computer yourself, you can delegate to the agent once you've got a connector and say, I want you to do this for me. And then it will go and do that. It has the capability of looking through your files and folders, creating files, sorting things, executing commands in the terminal the way that might be difficult for you if you're a non-technical user, might be semi-comfortable for you if you're a developer, but AI knows far more commands than you've ever known, no matter how skilled you are. It can use those all very effectively. And your job in order to operate and control what happens on your computer is you want to set it up so it's as easy as possible to have that agent integrated into all of the things you're doing, using your computer, storing your files, organizing your data, etc. Agent is operating system. You want to go to a place where you can interact with your agent and have it do all the busy work so you can offload 80% of the mundane and toil-based tasks, and so you can focus on the 20% of the things where you've got the unique insight, value, and taste to describe what you want done in the world. And agent is also operating system in the sense that there needs to be a place where agents can go to work that gives them access to exactly what they want, what they need, and also not access to other things that they ought not be touching, that are not part of the work they're doing. So this is what we're designing towards. And as you're becoming more AI native, think about what is your agent operating system? Where do you go and work from when you're on your computer? And how can you make that more agentic?